Top 5 weight loss herbs in water that burn fat. Looking for a natural and effortless way to boost your fat-burning process? Herbal-infused water might be your secret weapon. Adding specific weight loss herbs to your daily water can accelerate metabolism, flush out toxins, reduce bloating, and support overall fat loss, all without any side effects. These powerful herbs have been used for centuries in traditional remedies, and now they're making a comeback in modern wellness. Here are the top 5 weight loss herbs you can simply soak in water and sip throughout the day. Cinnamon, Dalchini. Boosts metabolism, controls blood sugar, and reduces cravings. Fenugreek seeds, Methi. Curbs appetite and improves digestion. Ginger enhances fat burning, reduces inflammation, and supports digestion. Mint leaves, refreshing, helps control hunger and eases digestion. Cumin seeds, Jeera, known for reducing belly fat and improving gut health. Just soak 1 or 2 of these herbs overnight in water, strain, and drink in the morning or throughout the day. These easy-to-make herbal waters are a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine, helping you stay hydrated while supporting your weight loss goals naturally.